Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, going to show you how you can fix Roblox memory dump error on your PC. So we have two ways to basically fix this issue. So first up, you need to find your Roblox game right here. Then we're going to right click on this one and then click on the properties. So once you click on properties, you will find this option. Then basically, you just have to click on the open file location right here at the left side of your screen, and it will open up here your folders. And from here, you want to go to Roblox Player Beta, and then we're going to right click on this one, and then click on this properties. Now here on the Roblox properties, we're going to the compatibility tab right there at the top. And here you just need to check the box in the compatibility mode. So from here, so we're going to check this box here and then leave it for Windows 8. And then at the bottom, you will just need to check this box, which is disable full screen optimizations. And then check also this run this program as an administrator. And once you've done, you just need to click on the apply button and then click on OK. Now, once done, it should be fix your issue on your Roblox memory dump error. Now, if the problem persists, you want to go in the second step, which is going to the search box right here at the bottom. So click on the search box and we're going to type here percentage local up data percentage. And then tap enter on your keyboard and it will open up your temporary files. So basically select any file here and then tap on R button, R key on your keyboard so you can locate the Roblox from here. So remember, this is just your memory dump of all your files. So here, basically, you can just delete this folder to basically fix the memory dump error. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.